Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Inpainting affects the wrong area on OpenArt. So this is a common OpenArt Inpainting issue. So the model leaks, edits outside the mask or modifies the wrong part of the image. It usually comes from bad masking, too much denoise, or in clear boundaries. So actually guys, first you will need to improve your mask precision, and that's the most important. So if your mask is messy, the AI will guess wrong area. So you'll need to zoom in before masking, all right? So depends only or paint only the exact area you want to change and avoid soft and featured edges unless needed, and don't include nervy objects just in case. So it's better to go with large broad mask. Instead, go with tight and precise selection. Also guys, you will need to use the paint only masked area if available. If it's not available, you will need to go right here on the prompt and include it right here. Okay, so you can type only mask region or preserve background. Okay, and always enable that option as I told you if available, and if it's off, the AI may render raw the whole image. Also, you can add the context controlling prompt, so if AI misunderstands what you're editing, it spreads changes. So it's bad to go, for example, with red jacket. Instead, you can go with change only the jacket to red. Keep face here and background and changed. Right, so that's the best example that you can use or include in your prompt to avoid that issue. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.